Hi guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, just open the settings, then find and select password and security, and here select fingerprint. Now click on fingerprint management, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Let me choose pattern. So at first let's show it once, then re-enter it to confirm. And now it's time to register your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located at the back cover of your device over here. So all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. So lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor till it is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Tap on OK. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or you can use the backup pattern that you set. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.